ever spent so many hours on creating just one single video? Like you're like, this is the perfect video. Once I upload it, this video is going to do so well. Only to upload it and you're like getting 20 views. I mean, I've been there. I can totally relate. Here's a little secret. A lot of people are sabotaging their own videos by uploading the wrong way. Yes, you heard it right. There is a right and wrong way to upload your YouTube videos. And this that I'm sharing with you took me 2 years on YouTube to figure out. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the right way to upload your YouTube videos to reach a wider audience. So if you are still uploading, clicking on that little plus sign button, you are uploading the wrong way. So today I'm going to be showing you the right way to upload to YouTube that will give your video a real shot at getting noticed. This new method I'm going to show you is going to help you be able to add a lot of features on your videos that will allow YouTube to recommend your videos to wider audience, and as a result you might just go viral. So the app you are going to be needing is your Chrome app. If Chrome is not your default browser, you might as well just download it right now because that is what you are going to be needing. So once you have your Chrome app downloaded, then you can now go to YouTube dashboard. You are going to search YouTube dashboard on your Chrome app. It's just like the regular way you just browse. So this is exactly how it's going to look if you are using your mobile app, but I am not so comfortable using my mobile app to do. So I'm going to be switching to a desktop. Mind you, it's going to be the same interface. It's going to look exactly the same on both desktop and on your mobile app. So you have nothing to worry about. This is my Chrome app on my system. I'm exactly on my dashboard as well. As you can see, we have the same interface right now. And you can see that little icon that says create. That is where you are going to be uploading your video. It shows upload videos, go live, create post, new playlist. So I clicked on upload videos. And as you can see, it shows drag and drop. And once you click on that, you're able to see videos that we've already created. But since I'm not planning to upload any video, this is exactly what it's going to be showing you. So I'm just going to close the icon right now and just explain with videos I already uploaded. So at being you're uploading a fresh video, this is what is going, all of this space is going to be empty, and you are going to have this video details, description and everything. So we are just going to pretend that I'm just writing this for the first time. So the first thing you want to ensure that you're optimizing is your video title. So you are going to write your title. You go ahead to write your description. In my case, my description is not so optimized because I'm supposed to describe exactly what I was doing in this video. It's supposed to be I shared my body care routine on how you can get even toned, which I didn't do in this video. So if you want me to make a video about how to write an optimized description, I can do that in a separate video. The next feature you're going to be having access to is a playlist feature. So you're supposed to group these according to your videos. So the same way you group your music, so you have sad songs, you have gospel songs, that's exactly how you're supposed to group your videos. So if you're somebody that create a wide range of content, you create body care, so you group particular videos in body care routine, you group some in face care routine, products I have tried, story time. Exactly, that is what your playlist is supposed to be about. Since this video is about body care, I am grouping it under body care recommendations. So whatever your video is about, just ensure that you are putting it in a playlist. And what this will help with is once people are done watching that video, YouTube is going to automatically recommend more videos in that playlist so that they get to watch more of your videos. Might eventually earn you a subscriber. So now to the next feature, which says audience. You're supposed to click on no, my videos is not made for kids unless you are actually making videos for kids. If your video is not made for kids, click on no, it's not made for kids. Since I'm assuming you are new to YouTube, you're not going to be checking that paid promotion icon. Now, is your video altered? Did you use AI? If yes, you click yes. If no, you click no. Then now we have automatic chapters. This really helps you to retain your audience. So YouTube is just going to automatically select chapters for your videos. So okay, in this first chapter, this is the intro. In the next one, you talked about the problem. In the next one, you talk about the solution. That is what the automatic chapters is going to help you with. Or you just talked about various products or various things in your video. YouTube is going to help you group it so that somebody that is interested in a particular part can just click on that part. If another person is interested in a particular section in that video, that's what they are going to click. It's going to really help with your audience retention. Now there is the tags, which is basically just like hashtag on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter. You're going to add related tags to your videos so that whenever anybody use that same tags,
searching for a particular topic, your video can show up. It really helps people find your videos on YouTube. This particular feature is what a lot of people skip, which is the category. You need to categorize your videos. It really helps YouTube know the kind of people that they are going to show your videos to. So are you uploading educational type of videos, or you're uploading vlogs? You really need to check that in the category. Since I'm uploading the educational type of video, I'm going to be clicking on education. If yours is how to and style, you can click on how to and style. If yours is vlogs, click on people and blogs. If yours is just entertainment, click on entertainment to help you show your videos to people that are actually interested in it, and it's just not assuming your kind of audience for you. Now, this is the important part that you're not going to have access to if you're uploading directly from YouTube, which is the end screens and the card features on the YouTube studio. So basically, the end screen just helps you to recommend videos to your audience by yourself. Exactly how they do it. They click on elements and then you see choose specific video. Then video YouTube is going to show all of the videos you have uploaded, and then you have the choice to choose anyone that you want. And I'm going to be choosing the how much YouTube paid me for this, so, and that is exactly what I want to recommend to my audience in their end screen. And end screen means they will be getting it at the end of the videos. Immediately after they watch my video, YouTube is going to recommend these two videos to them, and I did it using the end screen method. So, and I also want to be able to have choice on the time that it pops up. So this is exactly what I'm going to be doing. I want it to be at the very end of this video, so that they do not leave this video to go and watch that one. Instead, I want them to complete this video and then watch those ones. So I'm going to be adjusting the timeline to be at the very last of the video. And you can also do that as well by just changing the seconds or the minutes you want it to pop up after you've already selected the kind of videos that you want. And also, you can choose more than one videos. As you can see, I'm going to be recommending about two videos to people at my end screen. And if you also do not want to go through all that stress, you can just choose best for viewer, which would be YouTube selecting the video that they think will be best for viewers for you, and that will be what they're going to be recommending at the end of your video. But since I like to have a choice, I am choosing those videos myself. Click the save icon and then you have it. Your video already has end screens, and we are going to head to the card session now. Have you ever been watching a video on YouTube and then the creator is like, go click on this video if you have not seen this video, and that video pops right up? You see that button that shows card, you are going to click on it, and you see video playlist channel. You are going to click on whatever one you want to pop up. Since I want my video to pop, I'm going to click on video, and it's going to show you all of the videos you've already created. And at the same time, I want to recommend this how much YouTube paid me again. So that will be what I'm going to be choosing. And as you can see, it shows on the card. I'm going to add two cards to this video, and I want it at a particular time and seconds in this video. In this case, I want it at exactly 1 minute 51:23 seconds, and I want another one to pop up at exactly 5 minutes 32:40. At the exact minute I am talking about those videos, so that is when it's going to pop up. That is how you see your favorite creator say, "Go watch this video," and it's going to pop up at that time. So enabling all of these features before you upload is going to help YouTube categorize your video. It's going to help you to recommend your other videos to your audience. It's going to help you to show more of your videos to your audience, and it's going to help you to push your videos to the right audience, so that YouTube is not just pushing your videos to anybody that is not interested, which is going to lead to a low click through rate, but it's going to show it to the exact people that are looking for your type of video.
So there you have it, the right way to upload your YouTube videos to reach a wider audience. I know it takes a bit more effort, but when you start seeing results, you are going to be so glad that you took this extra steps to upload your videos. So you guys go and upload your videos and let me know in the comment section if you notice any difference. So if you want more videos like this, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. Go break a leg!